DYU A5 electric bike. It's cheap and powerful. Would it turn an Asian mom to a big fan of e-bike? You will soon find out.
I'm not going to touch you. Let's try it.
Hi everyone. I'm Esti, an Asian mom who has always been afraid of riding anything that is two-wheel. Today, I am taking a challenge on something that scares me the most. That is riding an e-bike for the first time. Will I conquer my fear or will it get to the best of me? Stay tuned to find out.
Before I get started, let me just tell you a little bit about how I end up having this e-bike. This is actually a collaboration with me and DYU. They want me to test out this e-bike. They want to know if people like me of the 60s would dare to take up this challenge. I say, why not? This e-bike is very popular for its unique features. It has these anti-theft features, and this bike is foldable. It could easily fit into any car. The battery has a really good battery time, and the bike is so easy to use, I heard.
First, let's unbox this e-bike.
Wow, there's another box inside. You can see everything is protected, which is really good. Let me see if I am strong enough to lift this bike. Okay. Now,
I think they did an amazing job with the packaging. Everything is protected. There's this box. Comes with a warranty card, an instruction book, 2 pairs of remote control, and 2 sets of keys for locking the battery. It's good they have the right and the left pedal. They mark them with a sticker. It comes with a handy tool key for tightening the bike. This is the battery charger. They suggest that you charge the battery once you receive the bike. It comes with a 3-pin plug and 2 sets of keys for lock and unlocking the battery. This is really good, so I don't have to bring the whole bike into the house while charging. In Sweden, we use 2-pin, and luckily I have this multi-pin. If you don't have this, you might want to get one. They suggest that when the light turns green, you might want to charge for 1 extra hour. Use the tool provided to install the bike pedal. Next, you insert the handle pole into this hole. Once you're satisfied with the height, lock and secure the height with this latch. You can also adjust the handle by releasing this latch to a position that you are satisfied, and when you do, lock and secure it with the latch. For the seat, you do the same. Insert the pole into the hole, adjust to your desired height and lock it. If the seat is loose, you can tighten it using the tool key provided on this small screw. I personally find that the seat is very comfortable. It has this suspension spring, especially good if you are traveling on a bumpy road. There is a leash here where you could just press and lift up the seat so you could remove the battery easily. I love this stand. It's so small and it's so stable. The bike frame is made of aluminum alloy and it has only 1 gear. The passenger seat is for a smaller person, and the maximum weight capacity for 2 persons is between 120 to 150 kilograms.
here is my tips when you are riding behind. Usually it's for a smaller person, but since I'm an adult, I'm going to show you how this is possible. So what you do is you hang on to your passenger body or the clothes. So you can actually rest your feet on this pedal, and then the rider can put his feet up. So let's go!
My partner is an experienced MC rider. For those of you who are not used to having a passenger behind, I suggest that you train more. Then it's easier for you to find balance. These are the brakes for the front and the back wheel. Make sure you test the brake before each ride. I find that the brakes are quite reliable. I heard this front light is very bright in the dark. There's also one extra light, you could have it in the front. And also the back light, which is also known as the brake light. There's also a plate holder if you need them. This shield is made of very durable plastic. It's perfect for a rainy day. This bike weighs 22.4 kilograms. You can easily bring them on train, buses, car, even when traveling.
Now, let's start this bike and I'll show you how to do that. To start the bike, we need the remote control. This under here is the on-off power. And over here, this is the unlock and stop alarm. This one, that looks like a speaker, this is to activate the alarm. This is unlock and enable the anti-theft alarm function. To start the bike, you need to turn this on. Automatically, it will go to eco. Eco is the slower settings, and then you have medium, and then you have high. So here you see this bar here, this is white and empty, and these are filled. It means this is how much battery left. And it also says how many kilometers I have ride. Let's see, 0.1 is per kilometers per hour. So you can see how fast you are driving. Button here is to reset it, so everything will be reset. I start the bike by just accelerating the speed so that it will go forward. So if you want to have this cruising mode, which means to say the speed will maintain, let's say 19 kilometers per hour. So what you can do is you just accelerate to 19 and then you hang on to that speed for 8 to 10 seconds. If you want to stop, you just need to brake. Then the engine will be cut off. Without further ado, let's try it. So I'm going to start the bike and see. Really scary. Okay, let's see how this goes. Oh my god, I'm not paddling, so just going to. Okay, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, now because I've never ridden a scooter before, so this is almost like riding a scooter. Let's go out to the road. Amazing!
And here are the speed mode for each settings. The motor is 350 watts, and here's the difference between paddling and non-paddling.
As you can see, the difference on a gravel road and asphalt, we call that. Just going to try and go faster a bit and see how fast I can go. So now I'm under 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, and then let me just try the brake, okay? Okay, right, really enjoying this now. Oh my god, this is a real game changer for me. I think I'm going to be outside more now. How to fold this bicycle? Lower the seat by just releasing this latch and push the seat down. Close it. You want to also lift up the pedal up like this, the same to this side. This will also act as a support. To fold the body into half, you need to unleash this part and then just simply pull out. I think it's easier if you stand this side on the opposite direction and then just fold the bicycle towards this part, like this. To put the handle down, you need to lift this and this curving part, put your finger in here and put the handle down, like this. Foot pedal is on the ground, so this and this will support the bicycle. Now I'm going to activate the alarm. Okay, let's see if I can manage to steal this bike. Oh my god! What happened? The police is coming soon. I'm going to see if I can ride this bike. Oh no, there's no way. Oh my god, there's no way you could steal this bike. You see that? I think every bike should have this feature. How amazing, right? Here is my honest review. It's foldable. I can bring it with me when I travel. And the protecting shield so that I will not get wet when I cycle. And also the battery is not heavy at all. And the seats are so comfortable. and most importantly, the anti-theft features. Everything looks really durable, and the light is very bright. Brake is good, and what more can you ask for? It's a very friendly bike. I love the size of this bike. It is perfect for me. I couldn't find any bike for adult range that suits me because I have short leg and I'm not so tall. So this bike enabled me to just ride comfortably, and it is adjustable if you're a taller person. So in conclusion, I would definitely recommend this bike to anyone who is looking for these features. So now, oh, you see what I mean? Isn't that good? If you are interested in this bike, go check out my video description. I'm going to put a link there. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I am always here to help. And I hope these are the information that you're looking for. And I'll see you in my next. Bye-bye. I'm not going to touch you. Bye. Oh my God.